everyone, I'm Harry. Welcome back to Quenson Classroom.
Hello everyone, I'm Maria. Today we will continue to talk about the sucking insect control. Harry, look at this picture. Do you know these insects?
Yes, they are whiteflies. I've met these insects very often in the field, especially in the greenhouse.
Great. Could you please introduce some information about whiteflies?
Sure, Ria. Firstly, I'd like to talk about how to identify whiteflies. Actually, whiteflies are easy to recognize because they look just like their name. Whitefly adults are small fly-like insects. But whiteflies are not flies actually, because they belong to the order Hemiptera. Whitefly adults have white wings with the yellowish soft bodies, and they are closely related to aphids, mealybugs, and scales, since they are all in the same order. Whiteflies have sucking mouthparts which can insert into plants to feed on the sap from plant stems and leaves. So they are typically found in groups on the undersides of leaves. When infested plants are disturbed, great clouds of winged adults will fly into the air.
Thanks, Harry. Identify of whiteflies is very clear now. How about the life cycle of whiteflies?
The whiteflies has a typical life cycle as eggs, 4 nymph stages, and adults. The female whiteflies lay eggs on the undersides of young leaves. Normally, one female can lay 200 to 400 eggs. Newly laid eggs are typically white or yellow, but then turn brown as they begin to mature. The first nymph stage, known as crawlers, are mobile. Crawlers move around for several hours before settling on the leaf. They molt into their second instar stage and become immobile. 2 further stages will follow. Eventually, the adult emerges. Newly emerged whitefly adults are pale green or yellow, but they quickly secrete a white, waxy coating. The adults immediately begin to penetrate the leaf with their mouthparts to feed on plant sap. The full life cycle of whitefly lasts between 15 and 40 days, depending on the environmental conditions, especially the temperature, since eggs will develop into adults more quickly when the temperature is higher. Adults may live for 1 to 2 months to repeat this circle. There are several overlapping generations per year.
Yes, actually, I don't think it's hard for our audience to recognize the whiteflies, especially when the whitefly infestation in the fields. They are widely seen in greenhouses, growing ornamental flowers and vegetables such as tomatoes, eggplant, peppers, and okra.
Yes, and whiteflies are well known for their rapid reproduction. Their infestation may cause the leaves to turn yellow, silver, and wilted, along with choleric spots and premature drop-off. Other common signs of a high whitefly infestation include stem blanching, crop loss, or even whole plant death.
Yes, there are the common direct damage caused by the whiteflies. Furthermore, whiteflies can cause diseases. For example, whiteflies can produce honeydew, which attracts and grows sooty mold. In severe cases, the sooty mold can restrict the sunlight from reaching the leaves and prevent the photosynthesis. This further causes harm to the plants. And the sooty mold is not the only disease associated with whiteflies. Begomovirus is another common disease carried by this sucking insect. These diseases are a large concern for growers as they cause large amounts of plant loss and unmarketable yield.
Right. The whitefly problem is putting more and more pressure onto the growers. Getting rid of the whiteflies is a common concern, but it's very hard to control. So, Ria, could you give us some suggestion on how to control the whiteflies?
Yes, Harry. Before proceeding with any treatment, it's always important to confirm the presence of whiteflies. So pest monitoring and identification is very important. Yellow sticky traps can be used to monitor the presence and activity and provide an early warning indicator of their presence. Traps should be placed near to the growing tips of plants and moved up as plant grow. Organic control methods like neem oil or spraying natural predators is recommended for early prevention and control of whiteflies.
Yes, but during actual practice, we often face the problem when growers contacting us saying they already have serious problem of whiteflies.
So normally, what would you do?
If for severe infestation, chemical insecticide is the main choice. Normally, I would recommend our King's Killing.
Yes, King's Killing is effective for whitefly control based on our several years researches and testing. This product provides powerful efficacy throughout the whole life cycle of whitefly, including eggs, nymphs, and adults. King's Killing has dual mode of action. One is mimicking natural insect hormones and affecting the growth and development of target insects, like inhibition of egg laying, egg hatching, and adult formation. Another is disrupting the energy production pathway within cells leading to insect death through contact and stomach action. King's Killing has excellent leaf penetrability. It's helpful to control the pest hiding on the undersides of leaves. Based on our field trial test, King's Killing provides very fast control action and long-lasting protection. After using King's Killing, whiteflies stop feeding in 3 minutes. The death starts in half an hour. After 24 hours, whitefly will be effectively controlled and the efficacy will last for 3 to 4 weeks. If growers are facing serious whitefly infestation, King's Killing is an excellent choice.
Okay, thank you, Ria. Alright then, this is all for today. Hope this video can help you have a new understanding of whiteflies and whitefly control. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions regarding to whiteflies, please leave us a message down here below in the comment zone, and King Quenson will try to provide you with more information regarding to the pesticide industry and pest control. King Quenson, together from seeds to harvest.